Hello, and welcome to, today I will, as always, plumb people's asses to the dirt. Today I will be speaking in a different way because it's very important for me that we have this kind of community where everyone is welcome. Meaning, I'm already getting attacked. Who the fuck is this guy? Hi. You just fucked my ass and then you say hi? Maybe you should reverse them. Maybe we can start with the hi, and then maybe we could move to some ass stuff. That would work better. Okay. I don't even know. I don't even know his stats. I mean, you can't see it on my screen, but I can't load his stats. I know his HP. Let me ask his max. Though I have to switch my attack style. Holy shit. That was it? Oh, my bad. I saved. Imagine if I switch. Okay, maybe this is a kill. Very important to actually switch to the... Oh, okay, this is the kill. Nope. I was gonna say very important to switch to the crushing style. The rune 2H. The fuck? I don't know. The fuck what? What's your max? Okay, I think I'm dead. Am I? You could have killed me right there. 2 chances that you have missed. 2 chances that you have missed, bud. Okay. I don't think he has prayer because he's using full iron. What am I doing? Oh no, that didn't work. I tried so hard. Okay, that's it. What? No way. Is he dead? And he's dead. Good fight, buddy. GG. Yeah, sometimes this happens with Rune Light. The stats just wouldn't load. You can see it on my screen because it's not part of the, let's say, the recording scale. But I just can't see his stats. But again, very important. If they have full iron, you switch to this full iron, full steel, full black. You switch to this. It's it's minimal, but it still gets the job done. Essentially, this is for ranged people.